Today we're gonna make yakisoba. Yakisoba is a Japanese dish made by stir-frying noodle with meat and vegetable with very tasty sauce. So we need your preferred yakisoba. I'm gonna use this one today. So usually the sauce comes with a noodle, which is sometimes powdered, sometimes liquid form. Then we need thinly sliced pork, carrot, cabbage, and bean sprout. Let's get started. First, let's cut the cabbage. Next, peel the carrot. Slice them thin and cut into matchsticks. Chop the pork into small pieces. Today we're using cabbage, carrot, bean sprouts, and pork. But feel free to use any vegetable and meat you like. This is called saibashi. We usually use for cooking. This is a basic tool for Japanese cooking. Now, heat some oil in a frying pan and start by stir-frying the pork. Add the cabbage and carrots and continue stir-frying. I don't want to get these bean sprouts too soft. I'm gonna keep this one for the last. Next, add the yakisoba noodles. Then, pour in a little water and cover with a lid to steam. Finally, add the bean sprouts and give it all a good mix. Sprinkle the sauce evenly and mix well. That's it. Top it off with some pickled ginger and it's done. Yakisoba is done. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, next we're gonna make Japanese style enoki mushroom and egg soup. Moving on to the enoki mushrooms, cut off the root ends. Cut them into quarters. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Once boiling, break apart the enoki mushrooms by hand and add them to the pot. Cover and cook on medium heat. In a bowl, crack open the eggs and beat them well. Add dashi to the pot. It can be powder or liquid. Add a splash of soy sauce. When the soup starts to boil, slowly pour in the beaten eggs to create fluffy ribbons. Let it simmer a bit and it's ready. Very simple Japanese style soup is ready. 5 minutes broccoli salad. Now, let's prep the broccoli. Cut it into small pieces and put it in a bowl. Microwave it for 2 minutes. For the dressing, combine Bonito flakes, mayonnaise, soy sauce, and white sesame seeds, and mix well. Mix the dressing with a microwaved broccoli. And there you have it. As easy side dish ready to enjoy. Itadakimasu! Yay! Oh, so good. See. Yes. Oishii. I love it. I love this texture.